Hello friends, in today's class we'll see about the other central values, that is central tendency values like mean, median and mode. We will see about mode. What is mode? Mode of a set of observation is the observation that occurs most often. What is the meaning of this? If you are given a set of marks or set of values or observations, the observation which occurs the most is called the mode of the observation. So now we are given a problem. Find the mode of the following values or following observations. We are given 2, 14, 16, 12, so on. We have been given values. Now how do we find the mode of this set of observations? So first let me draw a tabular column. I will write the numbers. Here I will put the tally bars and we will write the frequency. Now the number 2 occurs only once. So I write here 1. Similarly, the next one is 10. 10 occurs only once. So I put here 1. Then I go to 12. 12 occurs only once over here. So I put here 1. Then the next one is 14. How many 14s do I have? First, when I see the first 14, it is 1. Second 14, 2. Third one and fourth one, and then I put a cross. This is how I mark using tally bars. That is, for the first 4 we'll have vertical lines, and then the fifth one we will cut them. So this set represents 5 number. Okay, number of 14 is 5 times. There is one more one, that is 6. So how much do I have here? 6. 16. 16 occurs how many times? 2 times. Okay. 18 occurs 1 time. Okay, so now let me, what is the total? Total is 12. So now which is the number that occurs the most? 14 is the number that occurs the most. So mode is equals to 14. I hope you understood how we calculated mode. Okay, and using a tally bar, how we found out the frequency. Now we'll go to the next value, that is median. What do you mean by median? Median refers to the value which lies in the middle of the data when arranged in the increasing or the decreasing order. First, you have to arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. Then the middlemost value will give you the median of that particular data. Now we have been given set of numbers. Now we will have to find out the median. So first let us arrange it in the ascending order. Which is the first number? 17, 18. Then I have 24. Then what do I have? 17, 18, 24, 25, and then I have 35, 36 and 46. So how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 values. Always median is easy to calculate when the number of values is odd, because the first 3, since there are 7 numbers, the middlemost will be the fourth one. So that you have 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. So the middle one is 25. Another formula to find the middlemost digit is n plus 1 by 2. So here n is equals to 7. 7 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 4. 4 does not give us the median value. The fourth digit, or from the, when you arrange it in the ascending order, the fourth digit will give you the median of the set of values. Okay, so median is, what is the value of median? Median is 25. I hope you understood the difference between mode and median. Okay, now we will see certain statements. Now what are they? Tell whether the statement is true or false. The mode is always one of the numbers in a data. Now, we now saw mode, isn't it? We got 14 as the answer. In that, 14 was one of the numbers in that data. So, it is true. For mode, it is always one of the numbers in a data. The mean is one of the numbers in a data. Now, can you tell me whether this is true or false? For that, let us take one example. A batsman scored 36, 35, 50, 46, 60 and 55 runs in 6 innings. We calculated the total. Total is 282 and it goes in that 47 times. So, in this, can you tell me 47 is 47 one of the integers in this? No. So, the mean is one of the numbers in a data. So, this cannot hold good. It is false. The mean can be any value which is not in the data also. Okay. So, that is false. The median is always one of the numbers in a data. Median is the middlemost value, isn't it? Since we are dealing with odd numbers, this holds good. Otherwise, it is different. So, if for our standard or for our class, we take only odd number of values. So, median holds good in this case. Okay, students, I hope you would have understood these three statements. Now, we are given find the mean and median of the following data. Okay, now this is the data that is given. First, let us arrange them in the ascending order. So, I have arranged them in the ascending order. Can you tell me what is the mode of this given list of numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits from here I will leave and 4 digits from here I will leave. I'm sorry, this is not the median, we are called calculating mode. So here in this, the number which occurs the most, 14, 14, 14 occurs 3 times, whereas 13 occurs 2 times, 12 occurs 2 times. So what is the digit which occurs the most? 14 is the answer. Now let us go and calculate the median. So in the case of median, we are given how many values? 9. N is equals to 9. So 9 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 5. So the fifth value will give me the median and 14 is the fifth value. Therefore, mean and median of the given data are same. I hope you would have understood now what do you mean by mean and median of a given data. Thank you, friends.